This is an international English language testing system powered by IDP to analyze the level of the student. So, this is currently scored. I am here to conduct the speaking of candidate number 110803. What is your name?
My name is Ms. Kampitkar.
How can I address you?
You can address me by my first name, Ms. Kam.
Where are you from?
I hail from countryside area Bagnikana, which is located in Ludhiana, Punjab.
Okay, does your name have any specific meaning?
Yes, meaning of my name is Mike.
Okay. What are you studying? Where are you studying?
I have recently passed my senior secondary from Central Board of Secondary Education with art stream with 83%.
What's your majors?
I'm not going to listen what you say.
What's your majors?
I'm not going to listen.
What's your majors?
Majors, ma'am?
Yes, your majors.
Ma'am, I don't know the meaning of your question.
I'm asking to you, what's your major subject?
Major subjects of my subject is math, mathematics and economics.
Why did you choose that subject?
I have keen interest in that subject. That's why I choose that subject for my majors.
What are the advantages of studying instead of working?
According to me, studying is beneficial for every person because it's helpful to gain knowledge about any kind of subject.
Do you have to work on weekends as well?
Honestly speaking, no. Now I have hectic schedule for gaining knowledge about arts. That's why on the weekends I have no time to do any kind of work.
How do you usually spend your weekends?
On the weekends I often spend my leisure time with my family members and my cousins, and also I want to spend my leisure time with my friends.
What's your favorite part of the weekend? What's your favorite part of the weekend?
Favorite part of the weekends is night because at the night time I spend my leisure time with my parents by playing different kind of games on mobile phone.
Do you think that your weekends are long enough? Do you think that your weekends are long enough?
Yes, obviously weekends are long because weekends are always free and they help the person to reduce their stress.
Why do you think your weekends are long?
On the weekends, most of the majority of people are free and that's why they spend their party time with their family members and they have no on the weekends they have no any kind of work.
Are your weekends long?
Yes, obviously my weekends are very long enough because on the weekends my institute are not conducted any kind of class and that's why on weekends I am totally free.
How important do you think it is to have some free time?
According to me, free time is part and parcel for every person because in the free time every person can do any kind of activity which they have interest.
How do you spend your leisure time?
I want to spend their time with my family members and my friends by doing different kind of activities like playing games on mobile phones and to do outdoor games.
With whom do you like to spend your weekends, friends or family?
I often spend my leisure time on weekends with my family members and on the evening time I share my problems with my family members, then they solve it.
Moving to the second part of your speaking, this is your cue card. Describe an interesting conversation that you have with someone else. You have 1 minute to prepare. You should start now.
I met many kind of persons in my life, but now I have opportunity to describe an interesting conversation with I had with a great person. It was a time when I was in 10th grade. I was go to Amritsar and travel by a train, and the grey person sat behind me, and she was reading a book, and that's why I see that it's a interesting person, and he looked very fit and healthy, and that's why I start conversation with her with the names and talking about our age, and he told her name, and I also told my name, and he told me that he came from Canada, and he had and also I continued my conversation that what kind of profession I choose before the pass out senior secondary, and then he told me that I choose to go Canada for higher study and take IELTS coaching classes. That's why it's interesting for me to give me advice that how can I choose my future for a good profession. And it's a very interesting conversation because he was very fit and healthy person, and I share my problems with regarding my health with him, and she told me that he always go for walking in the evening and morning time, and for these kind of activities he was stay happy and healthy. And also he told her schedule. He told his schedule and how he keep himself fit and healthy. It's a very interesting conversation for me because it helps a lot to choose my future, what kind of work and what kind of education I should take.
What's the difference between a good speaker and a listener?
According to me, good speakers should be a skill of speaking, how they can concentrate from listeners, and how they can they should have to power to speak in a crowd, and a good listener should have a good concentration to listen any kind of voice and any kind of speech.
Are some people not good listeners?
According to me, most of the youngsters have no good listeners because they spend their quality time with their friends rather than their parents, and their parents always told that you should follow that path, and they do not give preference to choose that path which their parents give as an advice. That's why, according to me, youngsters are not good listeners.
Why is public speaking important?
Public speaking is essential for every person because it enhances their skill to speak in the front of public, and it's a make a person good speaker.
What qualities make someone a good speaker?
According to me, a good speaker have power to explain their topic correctly and without any hesitation, and they have power to concentrate the public at what kind of their topic speak in front of public.
How important is listening to political leaders?
In my perspective, political leaders have good listeners because their profession or mostly depend on public. That's why they should have to listen public problems and how they can solve it. That's why they should have a good listeners.
Which is more important, a good speaker or a good listener?
According to me, good speaker is part and parcel because if a person has a good speaking quality, then they have attention from any kind of person, and they can solve their problems in a good way.
Thank you.